Wow! Hello everyone, it's me Cromie. Welcome to my vlog, and for today's video, we'll be cleaning the room. So, ang gagawin natin, maglinis tayo, and then we'll have some updating of our bed sheets and some of the things na kailangan palitan. So, samahan niyo ako. Let's start! So, as you can see, yung last video natin sa room ko ay yung sa room tour pa natin after the renovation, after binago natin yung room. So, eto na siya. And, ang maganda is, nakakapag-decorate ka na as time goes by. Tapos, hindi naman siya ganun kaganda, pero you can update some of the things that you have here in your room. Pero, medyo mas marami ng kalat compared nung una ko siyang Pero, I can still manage. It's very easy to clean. So, let's sabay tayong maglinis. We'll just arrange some of the things on the top. Binago-bago lang. So, ito yung dinagdag ko na portion. Yeah, that portion. I don't know. Those are some of the places I've been to in the Philippines. So, we're done cleaning. We'll just have some finishing touches and be done. Ang gusto ko talaga na part sa room na ito is yung likod na nakikita nyo and yung mga unan. Actually, I got those from Shopee. The shop is Angbon. Mura lang siya and maganda naman yung ano niya, quality. And some of the pillows, dun pa rin yata galing sa ambon. So, maganda siyang gamitin. So, I like it. Parang nakadalawang ano na ako sa kanila, bili. So, aside from that, I love the two. Yung dalawa. The two built-in cabinets. So, yung isa, normally, the same lang naman. Nakikita mo sa loob mamaya. So, if you can see, yan lang naman yung laman. Hindi masyado siyang makalat kasi hindi naman siya masyadong nagagamit. Usually, yung sobrang kalat is this part. Yung working table natin. Home office / workspace. Yung sa likod, hindi masyado. Minsan lang pag hindi ako nakakapag-plancha. So, hindi siya na-update. But usually, some of the things inside the cabinets are really arranged well. So far, except for this area. Pakita ko sa inyo. Usually, makalat talaga siya since I'm working from home and most of the time, I'm using this part here because doing some paperworks and then easy charging, andito na siya. So, usually, the back part, medyo nakakalat lang siya or when it's morning or paggabi na, ginagamit na. And usually, this part here, ito yung makalat masyado. Pero, what I do is that whenever I'm done doing things that kaya ko pa, so I always arrange everything. Pero sobrang dami, pero so far it's going okay.